Hi, Gulene. Now I can see why people call you the Turkish miracle. You are the youngest women grandmaster in history of Turkey, and very pretty girl at the same time.
Hi, Pawn. It is very nice to meet you. You look so cute.
Oh, thank you. Tell me please, Gulene, what is your favorite chess piece? The queen, of course.
Please don't cry, Pawn. I like you too.
Oh, you are so nice. Thank you, Gulene. What are your greatest achievements?
I have been playing chess since 4 years old. In 2022, we become champion in U16 Olympiad. And at 18, I got Women's International Master. Since 2021, I am part of the Turkish chess team.
Wow, what do you expect from the chess tournament in Antalya?
I just want it to be fun.
All right then, good luck to you, Gulene.